Yeah, well, Carter Burch says he, his friend, and his sister were all right here behind me at Nocturnal Nightclub on March 15th around 11:30 when they got kicked out of the club. Then moments later, as they were outside of that club, that's when things got violent. And now he's taking legal action.
Serious right now? She's about to pepper spray him.
The suit says on the night of his arrest, Burch agreed to leave the nightclub, but asked to wait briefly while his friend retrieved their coat. However, employees refused. When he tried again to wait, an employee allegedly shoved him down the stairs, pushed him out the door, and put him in a headlock before an officer stepped in and ordered his release. Outside of the nightclub, officers Mark Howell, Esteban Restrepo, and Cynthia Kreiser were stationed. Once Burch was outside, the lawsuit says Officer Kreiser pointed pepper spray at his face and told him to leave. As he was walking down the street, the club's owner, Justin Browning, confronted him. Moments later, Officer Howell, according to the suit, violently pushed Burch toward the traffic light pole and then further into the street, where he tripped Burch and took him to the ground, causing his head to nearly get crushed by an oncoming vehicle. Burch was then arrested and taken to Dauphin County Prison. Now, after the incident, the suit says Burch is suffering both emotionally and physically. The district attorney has since dropped disorderly conduct and public drunkenness charges against Burch. But Burch is not stopping there. He's now suing those 3 officers and Police Commissioner Thomas Carter.
2 of them for violating his constitutional right to be free from excessive force. Another one for failing to intervene, where she was watching it all occurred and was in a position to intervene to stop it and did not do so. Mr. Burch is also suing the police commissioner. And this goes to the fact that these individual officers have had a history of excessive force, specifically on 2nd Street late in the evening, and that he knew that these officers had that record, and the allegation is that that Officer Carter should be accountable because he was deliberately indifferent to the risk that they posed to the citizens.
Now, we did reach out to the city. They said they have not received the lawsuit yet, and they don't have any comment. Live in Harrisburg, Taylor Hess, WGAL News 8.